What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a video. I really just want to say this is not really a video I ever wanted to do or intended. As we continue with the video, you guys are going to realize mistakes happen. And also, guys, as a YouTuber, I want to show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today is going to be one of those days that is the bad. You know, I'm not perfect. Things happen. And we got to realize that sometimes you just got to be more careful. As you guys see the title of the screen, I've already destroyed the liquid vinyl splitter. I didn't destroy it, but I need a new one basically. And in just a second, I'll show you what actually happened. But to give you guys kind of a backstory of what actually happened. So guys, I was going to get some gas, and you guys know some gas stations are not leveled with the street, and this one wasn't. So as I was pulling out the gas station, I pretty much bottomed out. The whole front end just scraped. And you know, I have a splitter, so naturally I'm like, you know, whatever, the splitter will take it, nothing's gonna happen. I heard a big crunch and I was like, you know, I wasn't too worried. I started driving. I drove for about 10 minutes, still not an issue. So I was like, okay, well, maybe I didn't screw anything up, right? Wrong, 100% wrong. So then after that, I got on the highway, and of course highway speeds 55, 60. So I started going 60 miles per hour, and that's when I started hearing a big clank and a big rattle. And honestly, I thought it was the engine at first, but I was like, I got a splitter, so nothing of the engine should be scraping. I always do maintenance on my car personally, so I know I have oil in there. There shouldn't be nothing wrong with it. So I decided to pull over, and that's when I realized I pretty much screwed the splitter. Again, let me 100% say this is not liquid vinyl's doing. I do not blame them, so please do not give them any hate. This is all me. This is 100% my stupidityness coming out. And guys, I'm making this video because I want to show you guys honestly everything. I want to be full transparent, and I want to be a real YouTuber and show you guys stuff happens. And unfortunately today something happened, and honestly I'm pretty down about it, but there's nothing I can do, you know. So all in all, let's just show you guys what happened, and we'll explain more about it. So Clifford looking pretty decent, pretty normal, but as we get down, you can see, one, there's bird poop, but two, the splitter's no longer attached to, or the splitter rod's no longer attached to the splitter, and as you can see, it's a big old hole there. And on the other side, you can see the splitter rod is not attached to there either, and there's a big old hole there. So what I pretty much think happened is when I actually ended up going down going down on different level surfaces and I scraped, I personally think that I ended up shearing off this bolt or nut. And since I hit so hard, the impact literally just pushed everything up and just broke that. And then obviously once I started going 60 miles per hour in the highway, because we no longer have the support here, this side, it just boom, straight went down, broke. Because we still have the nut and everything there and the other piece. So that's my assumption. I really do think that, you know, I pretty much screwed this side over, didn't pull over right away when I scraped, and that's what happened. So again, guys, mistakes happen. I'm honestly very upset, but again, guys, it's just things just happen. You guys need to make sure that you guys realize it's gonna happen. Just keep moving forward. You know, like TJ Hunt's favorite quote that I have, his banner, just keep moving forward. This is something that unfortunately I could have prevented just by driving a little smarter. It happened. I'm gonna have to uninstall it, trash it, and then just order a new one. I do honestly like the look of it. I'm considering maybe doing another splitter, but I personally think that this splitter fits the build very well. It is made specifically for this bumper. So honestly, I'm probably just gonna reach out to Liquid Vinyl, and by reach out I mean literally just go on their website and buy a new one and just wait. It is a huge bummer though, honestly. Like I said, it is what it is. Here you can see literally it's bent upward. The little plastic that they have is literally coming off. You can see how bent up it is. I literally had to drive home about 15 miles going 20 miles per hour, because anytime I went above 20 miles per hour, that thing started hitting the ground because of the freaking downforce in the air. Again, guys, one thing I want to remind you guys is that make sure that every time you guys are down, every time that something bad happens, that you don't let it bring you down. This, don't get me wrong, it makes me upset, it hurts a little bit, but don't dwell on it. Think about it, get over it and just keep moving forward, and that's what we're personally gonna do. I'm gonna uninstall and just rock the car how it is, splitterless. And just let you guys know, I did have the splitter for about 4 to 5 weeks. 3 weeks, which were before I ended up posting the video and also posting those pictures. So I did have it for quite a while, but again, it is what it is. It is my fault that it happened, not putting the blame on Liquid Vinyl by any means. But again, I just wanted to share every single thing with you guys because I want to be as fully transparent and never make it seem like everything is well and dandy, because it's not. But remember guys, you guys got to grind to shine. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And yeah, we'll be bringing this back hopefully, you know, sooner than later. But peace out.